Good morning, guys. How are you today? Today, what we are going to do? Any guesses with these tomatoes? Red, ripe tomatoes. Any guesses? So I'll clear it now. We are going to make sun-dried tomatoes. Sun-dried tomatoes are used mostly in Italian dishes, like on pizza topping, and you can eat with your bread as a morning breakfast or anytime snack. So what we are going to make today is with these tomatoes is sun-dried tomato. Wash your tomatoes, put it on a napkin, dry your tomatoes, then cut it into two pieces, put some salt, olive oil, and put it under sunlight for 2 or 3 days until your tomatoes get dry. The next process I will let you know later as our sun dry process goes on. I have chosen these 10 tomatoes because this is my first attempt on sun dry tomatoes, so I don't want to take risk and use these 10 tomatoes as my experiment on sun dried tomatoes. Make sure there is no moisture on your tomatoes before you put salt and olive oil on them. I cut these tomatoes into two parts. So now I'm going to put sprinkle salt and sprinkle olive oil on it, rub it together and put it under sunshine. I have sprinkled this salt, see the salt and olive oil on this. I will rub each other well with my hands and put it under sunlight. See what a beautiful color these tomatoes have. After rubbing salt and olive oil, I have changed my plate, bottom plate. So it is dry and clean. So now I'll put it under sunlight. It's beautiful sunny day. Trees are bloomed with flowers, nice green blue sky. And here I have placed my tomatoes direct under sunshine. The sun is hard, temperature goes up to 38 degrees centigrade. So within 2 or 3 days, our tomatoes will be able to get dried, and we will do the next process after these tomatoes get dried up. After 7 days, my tomatoes has been dried up under the sunshine, and it looks like this. It has been completely dried up, color has become dark. Now we will do the next process, that is we will put these dry tomatoes in boiling hot water with vinegar. So I'll show you the next process when I do that. So you just wait and see what is going to be the next process of our Italian sun-dried tomato. Heat water in a pan, let it come to boil, then add half cup of white vinegar. I have this vinegar. I will put this vinegar in this half cup of water, then I will add this one dried tomatoes in this water for 5 minutes. It has come to boil. Now I am going to add my tomatoes one by one in this boiling water, and I will keep it here in this water for 5 minutes. All the impurities will come out from these tomatoes because they were directly under sunlight for 7 days. The impurities will be removed with this boiling water, and it will be tasty in eating. So there will be no impurities when you eat these tomatoes. After keeping in boiling water and vinegar mix, drain the water and place your dry tomatoes on a napkin and cover it with another fold. If it is more quantity, then use another napkin. So my tomatoes will be under this napkin for overnight. Overnight I will put it like this. All night it will be under this napkin. So in the morning we will do the next process, that is final process. We will move into our final process of Italian dry tomatoes. Now our dry tomatoes final process is going to happen. For this we need the last night I boiled these tomatoes in water and vinegar. I kept it under this napkin, so it has become nice color. It's now clear, very nice. And for that now I need 4 garlic pods, bay leaf. I will use only one just to show you this bay leaf. I have this herb mix. You can use only oregano, but I have these aromatic herbs, which has thyme, oregano, basil, and parsley. So I will use this one, and I have this here, extra virgin olive oil. So now I will combine all this in this jar. I have 2 jars here with me, this empty jar, glass jar. So I will put all these together in this jar. In this jar I put this herbs, dry herbs. Then I will put chopped garlic. I have roughly chopped. Then I will put these dry tomatoes in this. One by one I will place it in this jar. Putting few dry tomatoes, I will again put these herbs little bit and garlic. Again I will put these dry tomatoes one by one. Some more garlic, tomatoes. So I think so my one jar is enough for all these tomatoes, which now see I place all these tomatoes in this jar. I will place 1 bay leaf in this, or you can put 1.5. I put 1.5 so that we get good flavor of this bay leaf also, like that. And now I will fill this with my extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil in this, and all my dry tomatoes are dipped in the olive oil. So I will close the lid now and keep it for minimum 3 to 4 weeks. So this is our journey of Italian dry tomatoes. Hope you like it and try in your home.